guys, so let's talk about these two Christmas themed sprinkles. We're going to compare the snowflakes to the candy canes. So product number one is actually going to be these snowflakes, and as you can see, they do look like snowflakes. I do find that some of them are broken from time to time, and so not all of them look as beautiful as like this blue one right here. But overall, you can definitely tell that they're snowflakes and would work great for a frozen themed event, or perhaps maybe you just have a blue and white theme event going on. Now, product number two is actually going to be these candy canes. They are red and white, and again, I do find the exact same thing. You will see that many of them are broken and they're kind of just pieces, but overall, they're very cute and would definitely work if you have a red and white themed Christmas or holiday party. So you decide which one's best. Perhaps maybe you just need both. I definitely have both because I use both of them. Y'all have a great day.